contribute to green manufacturing by advanced technology, highlights the artisan spirit by super quality. Guangzhou Wangxin Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Company Limited, the leading manufacturer of induction heating industry in China. Wangxin is located in Guangzhou City of China. It's a national high-tech enterprise specialized in induction heating equipment R&D, production, sales and service. Wangxin was founded in year 2004. Many professional and experienced engineers gathered here. Develop rapidly depends on strong R&D team, professional sales team and high-efficiency production team. Wangxin provides high-frequency induction machine, medium-frequency induction machine, super high-frequency induction machine and ultrasonic frequency induction machine. 4 main series machine. More than 60 models meets the various demands of different customers. Widely used in industries such as metal processing, hardware heating, mold heating, plastic, aviation, automobile. Applications such as welding, hot forging, hardening, melting, shrink fitting, etc. Wangxin, committed to using technology to change traditional manufacturing, got 16 self-developed patents, certified by CE, European ERP and GPRS, digital induction heating machine, PLC control induction welding machine, induction melting furnace and induction forging furnace are getting perfect feedback from customers. IGBT induction heating equipment has features of fast heating, precision, energy saving and environmental friendly, make it a natural choice of metal heating processing. Wangxin provide qualified induction heating equipment to help customers step further. Wangxin products are sold to more than 100 countries, achieve high reviews from domestic and foreign customers, provide induction solutions for famous enterprises like Japan Nissan, Foxconn, CREE, CRRC, etc. Also provide 24 hours online service and lifelong technical support. As one of the leading induction heating suppliers, we offer a full range of maintenance, logistics, training and spare services. When you choose a solution from Wangxin, you also choose security and peace of mind. Start a career with virtuosity. Win the market through high quality. Come on, let's achieve win-win situation together.